how to fix screen share audio not working on Discord. Firstly, if you take off a problem like this one, you need to get off firstly from your Discord. Then you need to go to your Play Store to take a look on your new sessions. Just go on your Play Store, and right after you get here on the search box, without wasting any time, you simply need to type for Discord and go for that selection, go for it. And right here guys, you need to make sure that you have the latest version on Discord. If you don't have it, here you're gonna be available to tap on a site selection with the green light section, which will be called update. But in this case, as you can see, I have open, which means that I have the latest version on Discord. The first thing after you get done with that session by getting your update system for Discord, you need to get out from here and then simply need to go to your settings on your phone. You need to scroll down and go for applications, then go on the search box and type for Discord. Go for Discord and just go for that section on it. And right from here guys, what is the main thing right here when you take off on that site? You can simply uninstall the application, reinstall it back, and then it will take you to the main point. But if you have an iPhone, you're gonna be available to tap on offload application, which will take you to the easiest way to reinstall your application.